That is not how a good suspension should feel like. And that's why in today's video, we're going to be visiting Profender Suspension factory to find out how they make good motorcycle suspension and also how a good suspension setup really feels like. We quickly made our way to the airport and travelled straight to the heart of Thailand. Our destination? The Profender Suspension factory in Bangkok, where we witnessed the art of crafting the perfect suspension. As we arrived at the Profender factory, we glimpsed into a legacy that began in 1976 in Thailand. With a focus on crafting exceptional shock absorbers for 4x4 vehicles, Profender Suspension has become a renowned name in the industry. Today, they are taking their expertise further by expanding their range of motorcycle suspension options, pushing the boundaries of innovation and performance. To start off with the factory tour, we met with Orasa from Profender, and I had to ask a burning question I've always had. Does one suspension setting fit all?
Different people is different feel, and different rider is also different way.
I'm amazed by the careful and precise world of suspension manufacturing, where advanced CNC machines work with precision and purpose. With most parts made in-house, they have heavily invested in automation to minimize errors. It's a clear demonstration of their commitment to delivering flawless suspensions that will elevate your riding experience.
Look at my shirt, all sweaty already, but then it's so worth it and so interesting to see how they go and make everything piece by piece with the CNC machine.
One thing becomes abundantly clear: their commitment to perfection knows no bounds. Even though the machines handle most of the work, from crafting the parts all the way to quality control, Profender goes the extra mile.
Looking at all these things, right, how they are made and all that, right, I just want to say, this suspension can really take a lot of torture. You don't go off-road, you'll never know. So you see the harm, right, you don't scared. All these are inside one, okay.
Dedicated staff and designated stations meticulously inspect each and every part, leaving no room for defects. They have specialized stations to ensure precise measurements and another for deburring, meticulously removing any excess metal. Their attention to detail is unmatched, ensuring the highest standards of quality for every suspension that they create. Orasa introduced me to their cutting-edge 3D printing machine, a key investment for prototyping and testing. This technology enables them to create precise prototypes and iterate rapidly, continuously improving their overall product.
The GB one, right, there's a zip that goes up and down, right? Here, they got the Profender Suspension Endurance Tester. Up and down, up and down, up and down. Just now morning I came here, right, it's up and down, until now still up and down, still halfway to go.
From precise measurements of damping and rebound to the ultimate endurance test, their machines push suspensions to their limits, enduring an astonishing 3 million cycles. As the tour nears its end, we arrive at the checking station. Profender's dedicated staff leaves no stone unturned. With precision, they examine every aspect, measuring with exactness, ensuring the smooth operation of every turning knob, and scrutinizing the appearance for any defects. Once everything is inspected and confirmed, the products are carefully packed, ready to deliver an exceptional riding experience.
I really want all these. My Silver Wing needs some new suspension. We will not be so easily convinced. So they are actually going to lend us a PCX with the Profender suspension fitted on. And me and Winston, we are going to go on a ride, go on a test ride. The golden question is, how do you know if a suspension is good without actually trying it? You see Winston, so happy already. I can't wait, man. We're gonna hop on the PCX 160 with the Profenders fitted on the bikes. I need your help. Can you help us set the suspension so that the bike can handle both of our weight? 165 kg.
Okay, what weight is 165 kg, yes. So you should use the firm spring. And the recommend number for the adjustment, the compression is in between 9 to 12 and rebound is 11 to 14.
Okay, then we ask for your help to get someone to fix the suspension for us.
Okay, sure.
Okay.
ได้ปรับสปริงโหลดให้ลูกค้าหน่อยค่ะ
We sought the expertise of the Pro Fender staff to set the suspension up for us. We knew the importance of proper adjustment. Following Pro Fender's guide, he fine-tuned the preload to achieve optimal sag and adjusted the compression and rebound settings accordingly.
165 kilo, no problem, right?
Yes, okay, no problem.
The whole purpose of this ride
Yes.
is to test the suspension.
Okay.
When you see on my silver wing, right? When we bottom out, right? What did you feel? Hey, okay.
Okay.
Never bottom out.
Actually, very okay.
I got 3 main objectives. The first one is we're gonna find a bumpy road. Like this one.
Oh, okay, never bottom up again.
Okay, very comfortable.
Knowing
And
Amos, you do all the funny shit.
second, right?
Yes.
Maybe if we can find like a mini off-road. This one other people house. I cannot go out.
You want me to come down or not?
No need. Okay. If we can find a little bit of off-road and all that, right, we can test and see whether suspension performs well or not. Then
Okay,
lastly, I think the way we are going down, don't even need to go down curb.
On this kind of road, very comfy, absorbing all the unevenness. The small little stripes I can't really feel on my butt also. Okay, the next test. Not really off-road, but dirt road.
Mr. Scat.
Okay,
Whoa.
okay. Hey, slow. Okay. Not bad.
Off-road.
Hey, good. Wow, hey, surprise. Oh, very good. Wow, I'm glad. Oh, hey, very amazing, really.
PCX 160 off-road.
It's really, I never bottom up. I don't feel any hard impact on my back.
There are 2 types of springs. So we are using the comfort springs. So far so good. The PCX, right, with the Pro Fender suspension can hold up to 165 kg, no problem. I can make the suspension feel a little bit better.
Oh, okay, can. Wow, I really think it's really very comfortable. You still can make it better.
It's quite comfortable already, yeah, but I think I can make it better.
It's really very surprising at this suspension. Really so good already. You sure you can set it better?
Make me pillion him, right? Huh? Pillion him, right?
Okay.
Oneself don't want to ride, right? I make hard. Okay, you suffer. Compression max. Hi, hello. Okay, ready.
Ready? Wow, so easy to set. Okay, so easy to set. Okay.
Another thing good about the suspension upgrade, right, is that they have knobs for you to adjust the compression and the rebound. So you can actually adjust it on the go. Let you try the comfortable suspension.
Okay, comfortable suspension. Okay,
Okay, right?
I let go of my hand. Comfortable, right?
Our visit to the Pro Fender factory revealed a world of exceptional suspension manufacturing. Witnessing their precision manufacturing, rigorous testing, and checks left us thoroughly impressed. Every step, from the investment in cutting-edge technology to the attention in detail, showcased Pro Fender's unwavering dedication. Riding over hard bumps on the road and navigating through off-pavement sections filled with relentless bumps, we were amazed. The Pro Fender suspension effortlessly absorbed every impact, providing a ride that was remarkably smooth and comfortable. It's clear that Pro Fender's commitment to excellence shines through in every ride. We want to thank everyone from the Pro Fender team and also to JS Auto for making this video possible. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you on the road.